Science pushes forward because researchers dare to face the unknown. But sometimes they find something they were never meant to see. Something so disturbing, so reality-breaking, that they walk away, careers abandoned, reputations erased, entire projects shut down. Today, we explore 7 discoveries that made researchers quit on the spot. And number 1 is the kind of truth no human was ever prepared to face. Welcome to the skeleton that shouldn't exist, the Atacama Mystery, a 6-inch humanoid skeleton found in Chile made headlines worldwide. Researchers expected it to be deformed remains from the past, but the DNA analysis destroyed their expectations. It wasn't fully human. It wasn't fully anything. It had mutations not found in our species and bone aging that didn't match its size or anatomy. The lead geneticists quit the project after receiving pressure from multiple agencies. His final note: some truths cannot be processed. The Antarctic signal that came from no known direction. Scientists at the IceCube Neutrino Observatory detected a particle traveling upward from beneath the Earth at a speed no known particle can achieve. That's impossible. Nothing travels through the Earth like that. The lead physicist asked for the experiment to be shut down for review. When allowed to see the raw data, he resigned immediately. His only comment to the press was one sentence: "It didn't come from this planet." The cave painting that shows something human eyes shouldn't see in a remote Indonesian cave. Archaeologists documented paintings over 40,000 years old. They expected animals, symbols, maybe early rituals. Instead, they found a drawing of a cosmic object, something resembling a black hole or a star collapsing, something ancient humans should have never known existed. 2 researchers quit immediately after comparing it to modern telescope imagery. They believed it wasn't a depiction, it was a memory. The Mars photo. NASA quietly buried. A NASA imaging specialist leaked an unedited rover photo in 2018 showing a metallic, cube-shaped object embedded in Martian rock. Its edges were perfect, its symmetry undeniable. One geologist analyzing it reportedly walked out of the lab saying, "I didn't sign up to lie for anyone." The analyst who leaked the image no longer works in research. The image re-uploaded with distortion correction. The cube gone. The sound recorded 11 kilometers under the ocean in the Mariana Trench. A research team captured a sound unlike anything ever recorded. Not whale, not seismic activity, not machine. It was rhythmic, intelligent, structured. 2 audio analysts refused to work on it further. One quit ocean acoustics entirely. The recording was classified by the program's funding agency. Leaked notes described the sound as something large, communicating the ancient tablet that predicted modern astronomy. Archaeologists studying a Sumerian clay tablet discovered calculations matching the orbit of a distant exoplanet, one modern telescopes only confirmed recently. How did a civilization thousands of years ago know something we just discovered? A senior researcher quit the project, stating he couldn't reconcile the implications. The tablet is now behind restricted glass, labeled simply cultural artifact, not for analysis, but the leaked translation suggests the knowledge wasn't human in origin. The DNA sample that wasn't animal or human. A biological research lab analyzing tissue from a remote crash site expected to find unknown wildlife. Instead, they found DNA sequences that didn't match any life form on Earth and didn't follow the rules of genetics. Triple helix patterns, non-carbon structures, self-repairing proteins. Half the team left the project within a week. One researcher resigned without a word. Another left a single note. "We are not the first ones here. The sample was seized by a government agency shortly after. These aren't just strange discoveries. They're warnings. Moments where reality cracks open and science glimpses something far beyond its control." Some walked away to protect their sanity. Others quit because they understood. If the world knew these discoveries were real, everything would change. Which discovery shocked you the most? Tell me your theory. I'm reading every comment. And if you want to explore the mysteries that push scientists to the edge, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You're now part of where curiosity is dangerous, and truth is never what it seems.